4K snitch on your windshield. Garmin Dashcam X310 spills the street tea in Ultra HD. Ever missed the moment when that lane cutter played bumper cars with your sanity? Or cursed yourself for not having proof when that left turn liar hit your ride and dipped? Yeah, we've been there, sweaty palms, shaking hands, no receipts. Wasted hours replaying events in your head like a courtroom reenactment, only to be dismissed because you've got no evidence. The roads are chaos, and unreliable dashcams are just passive spectators. You need backup, not a bystander. And then it gets worse. Blur-covered videos so blurry they look like 1990s flip phone footage. Glitchy apps that make you fight for your own files. Dashcams that scream budget tech and die in the summer heat. You're stuck fuming while your tech betrays you. Every unrecorded incident piles on the frustration. Insurance stress, legal loopholes, and silent witnesses, welcome to the burnout highway. Can your current cam even handle parking lot drama when you're not around? Didn't think so. Now enter the Garmin Dashcam X310, your windshield secret agent with a license to film. This 4K Ultra HD touchscreen warrior captures everything with a 140 degrees glare-busting lens thanks to Garmin's Clarity Polarizer. It's like turning your windshield into a Hollywood production studio, but for evidence. Voice control keeps your hands on the wheel while it grabs every juicy angle. Auto-sync to the cloud? Yup. Live view when you're miles away? That too. It's compact, magnetic, and dead silent, but always watching. Call it a guardian angel with receipts. Set it and forget it. The X310 auto-records, detects incidents, and drops them in Garmin's vault for on-demand playback via your smartphone. You'll never need to fumble with SD cards mid-drama again. Parking guard? Sends you a phone alert like, yo, something just went down while you were buying lattes. Red light? Speed cam? Forward collision? This dashcam shouts before life hits the fan. With a built-in touchscreen and intuitive UI, it's basically stress relief wrapped in sleek black tech. Let's be real, you can't afford to miss the moment when receipts matter most. The Garmin Dashcam X310 is more than a camera, it's your personal video alibi, road therapist, and legal hype man. Don't let fuzzy footage cost you peace of mind. Grab the X310 now, before your next fender bender becomes another unsolved mystery. Drive smarter, protect harder, and finally put your dash on defense mode. Click buy and let Garmin throw hands for you, digitally.